Hi children, welcome back to my channel. In this session you are going to see SOF International Mathematics Olympiad of Class 1 question paper set A, which was held on 22nd October 2024. So in this paper you are going to see the answer key. So let's quickly see the first section. First section, logical reasoning. First question, answer is option A. Second question, answer is option D. Third section, answer is option B. Fourth question, answer is option D. Fifth question, answer is option B. Sixth question, answer is option B. Seventh question, answer is option A. Eighth question, answer is option A. Ninth question, answer is option B. 10th question, answer is option C. Second section, mathematical reasoning. 11th question, answer is option B. 12th question, answer is option A. 13th question, answer is option B. 14th question, answer is option B. 15th question, answer is option A. 16th question, answer is option C. 17th question, answer is option C. 18th question, answer is option A. 19th question, answer is option D. 20th question, answer is option A. Third section, everyday mathematics. 21st question, answer is option C. 22nd question, answer is option B. 23rd question, answer is option D. 24th question, answer is option B. 25th question, answer is option A. 26th question, answer is option C. 27th question, answer is option D. 28th question, answer is option B. 31st question from Achievers section. 31st question, answer is option D. 32nd question, answer is option C. 33rd question, answer is option D. 34th question, answer is option A. 35th question, answer is option B. So answer key is done, children. So for solved paper, please subscribe and stay updated. Bye children.